The fact that you are here means you are looking for answers. We are the yes finders, and we believe that you have the power to turn no's into yeses. Your answers are out there and within you, and it's time you take action to find them. On this channel, we provide practical, attainable, and feasible tips to finding success in your life, regardless of the way you defined success. But if you are looking for a silver bullet and the validation of others, guess what? You are in the wrong place. Instead, if you want to create bigger and better goals and implement a plan of action to achieve these goals over time, then you are definitely in the right place. In this video, we are going to talk about the number one secret for success. This secret is very simple but yet profound. Very few master it in their lifetime. If this is your first time here and you believe that success is attainable, go ahead and subscribe, like, and share. Let's build a community of masterminds on a mission. Yes, finders. What is the number one secret for success that everyone knows but no one is talking about? Before revealing this secret to you, allow me to provide some context. It's important. The global economy has now touched over $80 trillion and it keeps growing and growing. It's getting bigger and bigger. To contextualize this more, $220 billion are made all over the world every day, and about 9 billion is made every hour. The time you take to utter 3 words, for example, oh my goodness, other people are making $5 million in that same time. There are 7.9 billion people currently living in the world. And of this total, 73 million people, which is equivalent to 1% of the world's population, pocket over $40 trillion of the world's $80 trillion. Let me rephrase that so you understand it better. Over 50% of the world's wealth is in the pocket of just 1% of its population. Can you believe that? Why is this small majority making so much and the vast majority making so little? Are they more intelligent than us? Do they have secrets that we don't have? The answer is a resounding no. This may sound simple and, as I stated earlier, yet profound, but the real difference is the small majority has a clear vision. Call it a purpose or a goal. They have a clear vision with a specific, attainable, and measurable plan of action. Every step they take is intentional and strategic. In an upcoming video, I will spend some time talking about the elements of a solid plan of action towards the accomplishment of a goal. So you want to stay tuned for that. And if you have not done so already, go ahead and subscribe so that you are notified when the next video is published. Studies have shown that there are 3 types of people in the world. Number 1, people with no vision or goal. Number 2, people with a vision or a goal in their heads with no plan of action. Number 3, people with a written vision or a goal with a plan of action. The sad reality is this: people with no goals account for 84% of the population, while the people with goals in their minds, only in their minds, account for 14% of the population. This is alarming, as the vast majority of people, a combined 98%, yes, you heard correctly, a combined 98% have no real attainable goal or vision that they are working towards. They are just living and taking life as it comes. Talk about living dangerously. This will shock you though. The percentage of people with written goals with a plan of action is a mere 1%. Yeah, oh my goodness. These are the people that are being successful. These are the people who are pocketing more than half, 40 trillion of the nation's wealth. To put things into more perspective, the people with written goals with a plan of action is 30 times more successful than people with no goal and those with a goal in their minds, in their heads. The question for you today is this: do you have a vision or a goal, and are you actively working on it? Let me know if you do in the comments below, and if you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do and like and share so that we can increase the percentage of successful people, masterminds, and a mission. We are yes finders. To validate this secret for success further, I have looked at what the top 3 religions say about success and how to attain it. These top religions are: number 1, Christianity, with more than 2.5 billion followers. Their holy book is the Bible. Number 2, Islam, with more than 1.5 billion followers. Their holy book is the Quran. And number 3, Hinduism, with about 900 million followers, and their sacred book is the Gita. There are major differences with these religions, but the one thing that they have in common in their teaching is this: these major religions teach, and I'm paraphrasing here, if you have no vision, you will not achieve greatness in life. In other words, you need to have a vision, a goal, a purpose to be successful. I went one step further and I look at top books on the topic of success. The first book I looked at is The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. The second book, The Millionaire Next Door. The third book, The 48 Laws of Powers. And the fourth book, Think and Grow Rich. These books all concluded that having a vision is pivotal to success. It's fundamental to success. This secret that we are talking about here today, having a goal, a vision, a purpose with a clear plan of action, is widely known by the vast majority. It's taught by the top 3 religions, and it's written in books by the world's leading minds. Yet, only a small majority fully embraces it and implements it. It's not rocket science, my people. It's common sense. But I guess the old saying is relevant now. Common sense is not always common, is it? The number 1 reason why people fail in achieving their goals and fulfilling their purpose is because they don't have a goal in the first place. They don't have a vision, and even if they do, it is vague and only in their minds. They don't act upon it. Let me close with this. One of the holy books of the top 3 religions says, where there is no vision, the people will perish. Quite profound. Can you tell me in which book this is taken from? Let's start working on our vision today with a plan of action to accomplish your vision, our vision. In the next video, I will talk about elements of a solid plan of action. So you want to stay tuned for that, my people. In the meantime, I have listed some vital resources in the description of this video to help you with creating a vision and how to work on the other ingredients for success. See you in the next video. Yes, we are the yes finders. Take care, my people.